Hi traders, welcome to Elite Currency. My name is Chris, and as always, this video is focused on the euro dollar and pound dollar analysis. Alright, this is the euro dollar, and as expected, price did make that retracement on the hourly chart, as you can see here. Price going to the 38.2 fib, no, 23.6. Sorry about that. Well, it depends how you fib it. I guess if you use this fib, it was the 38. In any case, whether it's this fib or this fib, 23, 38 are holding it, and price is still in this uptrend and expanding probably the correction sideways. All right, so we had, this could be seen as like an ABC, or perhaps this is a wave 5 and this is part of the correction like this, and price might go a little bit deeper. I still expect though that whether this is going to go retrace deeper, I still expect a bullish bounce and continuation due to the very, very strong momentum that we've seen here on the 4-hour chart. I don't see any divergence between these tops at all. So on the 4-hour chart, that is. So I think that the upside is still going to continue. Let me put a fib from here to see if this could still be a wave B, and it does look like it could because it stayed below the important 138.2 fib. So this could easily be a wave B, and this could be the NFC, and upside it is. If it isn't, and this was a wave 5, then we might see a little bit, as I said, further continuation. So I would probably look for upside and then a flag. If it makes a flag, then it looks pretty good for for continuation. Or if it makes upside and an ABC like this, then here too could be good for upside. If price basically starts to hit resistance up in here and then falls quickly, then I would expect price to go to the 38 and bounce to the 38. So it depends a little bit on how price responds at, let me tell you which level. Right here in this zone, 122.80, 122.90. If price hits that zone but then falls quickly, deeper retracement is likely before uptrend continues. If price hits that zone but kind of makes a shallow downside or a flat sideways movement like this, wait, let me do that again, up and then like this, shallow downside or flat, then upside, immediate upside is likely without a deep retracement. So that's basically my 2 cents at this moment. The target, I think, is, as I said, 124 and 125. Those are the targets to the upside for the moment. And that could, of course, also be levels where price might make a bigger retracement. But for the moment, those are the levels I have envisioned for continuation to the upside. Pound dollar. Oh, and one more thing. If price were to break below this 50 fib and this broken top, then definitely not bullish anymore. But I think that even if it were to break this 23.6 fib, but as I said, these fibs will be bouncing spots, I think, as well. Only if it were to break below that would I not consider this any more a bullish kind of structure. All right, pound dollar, same thing, made a retracement, made a small upside, but the upside didn't break above that important bottom on the weekly chart around 138.50-ish here. So still hanging around that top, and I think this could be a tough battle. Strong momentum, but strong resistance too. Ultimately, I think momentum has a better chance of winning. So here too, I think that when you look at this formation, there's a good chance that this completed a 5-wave, price hit the 23.6 fib. So either price will, the same thing, either price will retrace to the deeper fibs and bounce. Those could be good levels to look for continuation. Below the 50 fib, seems unlikely that the bulls are in control anymore, so that's an important zone. Or if price hits this level and kind of makes a slow sideways move like this and bounces off this support level, let me add that support trend line like this, right? So like that, there we go. So if it moves up, makes a slow downside or sideways movement and uses this support, that could be indeed one more continuation higher, even on the pound dollar, despite that big resistance. All right, so that's the quick recap, what I'm expecting in the next few days. If price does fall below this support line with a lot of momentum, then that could be also the start of a bearish reversal. Then I will look for a bear flag and a continuation lower for the pound dollar. All right, so not much to add, a bit short this video, but that's okay. We'll be back, of course, on Friday with the last update. No, I meant over the weekend. Sorry. This weekend, of course, we'll have a new update. Thanks, and check out more info, elitecurrency.com. Please share, like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks. Good trading.